Channel. Today we will be making this origami leaf. Let's get started. Alright, for this project you need 1 square 6-inch piece of origami. Start off by folding it in half. Just like that. Now that you have this, you want to fold it in half again. Alright, now that you have this, you want to bring this tip all the way down to this corner, this edge. Alright, now you want to try to find the perfect way to split it up into 5 parts. So just find a good start. Roll it into 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on this one, let's see. Okay, for this one I was just a bit off. Let's try again. Alright. Three, 4, 5. Now that time it was too little. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, this time I did it perfectly. Now, you want to unfold. Bring the tip up, so just like this square right here. Now that you got that, you want to start folding it all the way back. You want to just fold it, turn around, fold it, turn around, fold it, and just keep repeating. Alright, now you should have this. Now you wanna, you see you have this right here? You just wanna fold in half. Just like that. Now, make sure that you have a good fold. Now you should have this. Now you wanna start off by pulling it up, open a bit. Just like this. Now you want to put this together like that, and you will also need some tape. Grab it. Now that you have this, you wanna go like that. Like this. Now I should have this. Now unfold, and there you go, your own origami leaf. Like, share, and subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all next time.